Welcome to my channel. In this channel I produce videos on advanced technologies for better living in India and abroad, job vacancies in India and abroad, scholarships and fellowships from different governments of countries, universities and trusts. In the present video, I would like to talk about scholarships. That is, scholarships for international students, researchers in the Slovak Republic, Slovakia. Government of Slovak Republic, Slovakia invites applications for scholarships for international students from eligible and interested candidates. All available research areas. Country Slovakia. Last date 30th April 2021. Scholarships for international students. Government of Slovak Republic, Slovakia invites applications for scholarships for international students from eligible and interested candidates. The Government of Slovak Republic approved the establishment of National Scholarship Program of Slovak Republic for the support of mobility of students, PhD program, university teachers, researchers and artists in 2005. The National Scholarship Program of Slovak Republic, NSP, is funded by the Ministry of Education, Science, Research and Sport of the Slovak Republic. Scholarships for international students. The National Scholarship Program of Slovak Republic supports and eligible applicants for scholarship in the framework of NSP. Students who can apply are university students at universities outside Slovakia, are students of second level of higher education, master students, are students who at the time of application deadline have already completed at least 2.5 years of their university studies in the same study program, will be on a study stay in Slovakia during their higher education outside Slovakia, and who will be accepted by a public, private or state university in Slovakia for an academic mobility, want to study in Slovakia. All three conditions must be met. This category does not apply to doctoral studies, PhD studies, or their equivalent. Duration of the scholarship stay. Students 1 to semesters, that is 4 to 5 or 9 to 10 months, 1 to 3 trimesters. In case the academic year is divided into trimesters, 3 to 4 or 6 to 7 or 9 to 10 months. Point B. PhD students whose higher education or scientific training takes place outside Slovakia and who are accepted by a public, private or state university or a research institution in Slovakia eligible to carry out a doctoral study program. 2. Slovak Academy of Sciences. For an academic mobility, want to study, conduct research in Slovakia. Duration of the scholarship stay. PhD students 1 to 10 months. C. International university teachers, researchers and artists who are invited to a teaching, research, artistic stay in Slovakia by an institution with a valid certificate of eligibility to carry out research and development, which is not a business company and has its headquarters in Slovakia. Duration of scholarship stay. University teachers, researchers or artists 1 to 10 months. Job or position of description. Amount of monthly scholarship. University student of second level of higher education 400 euros. PhD student 734 euros. University teacher, a researcher or artist without PhD degree or its equivalent and at the same time less than 4 years of work experience as a university teacher or researcher or artist 734 euros. With a PhD degree or its equivalent and at the same time less than 10 years of work experience as a university teacher or researcher or artist 980 euros. With a PhD degree or its equivalent and at the same time more than 10 years of work experience as a university teacher or researcher artist 1050 euros. How to apply? Eligible and interested candidates can apply online. Applications can be filled in only in case that the online applications system has already been opened. Applicants must fill in their online applications and upload all the required attachments in required format to their online application. Students, eligible applicants under the category A are allowed to submit applications and the required attachments in Slovak or English language only. Documents written in other languages must be officially translated into Slovak or English language. Translation can be certified by the same institution that issued the respective document. Once the application is filled in and all the required documents are attached to the application, the applicant must submit the application by clicking the send button. It is also necessary to deliver original of the admission or invitation letter SAIA NO in Bratislava SAIA. The document must be delivered at least on the third working day after the application deadline is until 12 p.m. when determining working days legal status in Slovakia is taken into consideration. For contact nsp-foreign@saia.sk. Last date for apply 30th April 2021. I hope this video is very informative. If you think so, you can like it, share it, and if you are watching my video for the first time, you can subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. See you.